Okay guys, back at you from my favorite spot in the whole world, and I am in Oakland, California at our sister plant. We like to think we are the largest rebuilder of full line vending equipment east of the Rockies. We have a tremendous amount of inventory, and we of course rebuild equipment ourselves, and we also sell projects to people that do their own rebuilding. There's one here from Toyota, nice CB500 USI. Got a lot of AP snacks, always a lot of sodas, a little bit of everything here. And in this update video here, the last one we did was 6 or 8 months ago, we can show you the front rows, but we really can't show you what's behind. But they have been good this last year as to trying to stack stuff of like equivalency behind each other, so we have a row of, you know, similar equipment. AP snack seems to be the popular item now. There's a lot of conversion kits for them, for guaranteed delivery if it didn't come with them. Stuff like this, that's probably a 112 or a 102 or 3. Always a lot of AP 7600s and 6600s. Bunch of beverage machines. If you ever need projects or parts, we've got a lot of parts machines. Nice National on the left, 3014 USI on the right, 3014A I should say. We also get old, you know, game room home coolers here. Got more at the end of this row, which are actually mine. There's a bunch of snacks up there, more here, and everything is available. We're looking to sell in large quantities, guys. The BART train comes across here every, I was told 7 minutes, but sometimes if you have them coming in both directions, it seems like about every 2 or 3 minutes. Now there's an oldie. That is a model 435. One of the first glass fronts I ever bought brand new back in about 78, maybe 77. I've got some small USIs there in that row. Some of the little GF19s and GF23s. Those guys there are the old wall hangers. First time I saw those was in the Jiffy Lube waiting rooms, put out by Coinco. A bunch more snacks here. It looks like an AMS. Here are some man cave items, some old Coca-Cola machines. There's about 8 or 10 there. Actually, those have been mine. I need to get them out of here, but certainly motivated to sell the group of them for about 100 a piece if you took them all. Chilled M&M snacks, always seem to have those. Looks like an LCM4. And the back row here, let's see what we have. A nice coffee Millennium front. Always got a lot of drink machines. As you can see, we specialize in container loads of equipment. We get the best freight rate of anybody in the world, most likely. We are a volume shipper of one of the big shipping companies. There's a couple projects, but they can be bought right. Our email link is down below in case you can't see it or read it, or you're just viewing this. It's Las Vegas Coin Op OP, Las Vegas Coin Op, at gmail.com. I'll mention this while I go by. Keurig coffees, I've got no less than 1,000 of them. Somebody could buy them all for a couple bucks a piece. What happens here in the San Francisco Bay Area is new contracts are awarded, and they're usually 2 to 3 years, and they never reuse stuff. They always start brand new with these contracts in these huge Silicon Valley companies. So, all right, we'll give you the last rundown of this yard here, and then we have a second yard, which has more stuff than this yard. National Coffee's getting a little scarce. Looks like about a 638 there maybe. Those are getting a little bit scarce, but still a fine coffee machine. Cooler decks galore if somebody needs 25 or 50 cooler decks. There's more snacks. That's a 6600. A lot of Visa coolers, reach-in coolers, doubles, singles, triples, you name it, we have it. It's a little mini Dixie. I think it's a 154 is that model number, if I'm not mistaken. Comes a BART train, so bear with us. Microwaves, always a slew of good quality commercial Amana microwaves. There's a super nice USI there, 3014A. More sodas, a lot of clean sodas this trip. There's some coolers, a lot of parts. You guys need mechs. Got thousands of coin mechs. Good morning.
Making money off of that, man? Could I produce it?
Yeah, you're the kind of face we need, man. I got a face for radio. You got a face for TV.
No. We need bikini women.
All right, guys, that's a yard south. We are going to head to the north yard, and we will be back at you.